working right now, but he got me some tires this morning to put on. So we're gonna put those on later tonight on the Ford.
Grandpa had a Ford. Tell her your story about your first Ford. Tell her your story about your first Ford car. Was it a Model A?
Oh, really?
What's the story?
Your first Ford.
First Ford?
Yeah, the car that you had.
Well, I think the first car we ever had was
This would be when you were a teenager.
a Durant or a Studebaker, or if it was a Ford, that was later on. It was a Model T.
Really?
Okay.
The story about the Model T, is that?
Yeah.
Well, I bought a Model T when I was a kid at home from a guy for $3.
Oh my.
It was a touring car.
Oh, wow.
A two-seater Ford. The old, I don't know, two-cylinder engine, four-cylinder engine, but it had the spark coils inside there and everything, and I drove it around with my brother, and we went out to Benson one day, and we drove back halfway to Omaha, and I pushed the pedals wrong, and I struck some. So we decided what to do, and we just pushed the car over off the road into the park and just walked home.
You just left it there?
That was a Model T. That's a true story.
So you never went back for it?
No.
You think it's still there?
We went off at a trot.
Wonder if it's still there. Where is that now?
Probably a info somewhere. Recycled.
What year was that, Grandpa?
About 1920, 25, 26. Go a little more ham? More ham?
Yeah, let me have another piece of ham.
I got a lot on my plate here that somebody just, you want it, Jim?
Yeah. Oh, you want to take this piece, Dad?
Oh, you want some more? Want more ham?
Not give me butter.
I'll take it, Grandpa.
No.
That sure works, doesn't it?
Yum.
That was pretty good piece of ham, wasn't it?
Yeah. Very good.
Pretty good ham.
Honey baked ham.
Would anyone like something to drink? I'm gonna get water. You want a big thing? Jim? Water? You want some water?
No.
Katie will. I know. Oh.